Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Isimo siya ngokushuba lapha eEdington, lesikole lesilapha eThekwini. Njengoba kunabantwana abala eSouth Africa abangasitholile isikhala. Ama-organization anjengo March and March, Operation Tutula namhlanje ifikile nayo izoba support. Bathi akukwazi ukuthi kungathiwa akungena abantwana babantu abangama-illegal immigrants bangene esikoleni bafunde, whereas kunabantwana abala eSouth Africa abangasitholile isikhala. Kuthiwa mabeza ne-reasoning yabo akufanelanga abantwana abangafundi ngoba bazongena ezenzweni zobugebengu. Umbuzo kobuzwa uJacinta uMangobe soganele kwaZuma uthi basho ukuthi fanele kungafundi ingane zaseSouth Africa zona zingene ezenzweni zobugebengu na. Uma phela kuthiwa ayikho ingane kungafanelanga ifunde ngoba mazingafundi izongena ezenzweni zobugebengu. Njengoba leza la eSouth Africa zingasitholanga isikhala, basho ukuthi fanele zingafundi na. Umbuzo lo abawubuzayo. So sele kuqalile kuswa ngeviki eliphelele waloko bavuka baye eEdington lapha esikoleni. Njengoba ubona la ku screen sakho, amaphoyisa lawa manje asagcina deployiwe ukuthi awagade lapha ya awamana avimbe ke manje ngoba kuyabona kathi kuzokhandeka umonakalo. Ngoba ama foreigner ayeza nawo beze nalaba nginethemba lokuthi ukufunda kuphazamisekile ngaphakathi ngoba awukwazi ukufunda ukukhululeka ungazi kwenzakalani phandle. Futhi kuyenzeka kusuka umsindo ubona abantu bafuna ukushayana ukuba wekho amaphoyisa ngabe sebeshayena. Okunye kubuhlungu bayadelela labantu bangaphandle, badelela ngempela. Uyabona ukuthi baphila kahle eSouth Africa, umthetho na yonke into iyabavuna. Ngeviki eliphelile ke kwaba khona i-Department of Home Affairs iye yathi yabiza abantu ukuthi abeze kuzokhulunywa mayelana nale white paper. Ngizokucaphunela ama-video wakhona uze ukuthi kuthiweni khona ngaphambi kokuba sikhulume ngalolu daba lase-Eddington. Ngicela ubonela.
There was another gentleman also, and I think a lady who also spoke about regularizing the people that are illegal in the country. In 1996, there was a Mandela amnesty. That is why we ended up with migrants from Silent, Abomoyo and Sibanda, who were given amnesty to stay in South Africa. That was in 1996, meaning those people were documented. Did that stop others to follow them? No. So how long are we going to continue to documenting the people running from their own government and coming into South Africa and overburdening us at the bottom? Number two, I don't know how many number twos I will have either. Number two, our government has failed. UN has failed its refugees and their asylum. Refugees and asylum, they are the responsibility of international communities, not of South Africans and South African taxpayers. Yes. The reason I'm going to say government and UN have failed is one of them. Whenever there's an integration that needs to take place, we in our communities, we should be engaged with.
Izinto lezi ezikhulunyiwe lapha ya nezinye kufanele njengabantu baSouth Africa sizazi. Njengami nje bengingazi ukuthi ngo96 kwaba khona iMandela amnesty eyayithi labantu vela abakhona la eSouth Africa abakhona. Ngoba akufanelanga sikubalekele ukuthi amanye abantu abangama illegal immigrants balethwa uhulumeni wamabhunu la ukuze bekwazi ukuba exploit emamine. Lokho siyakwazi emavikini emavideo adlule ngeke ngakufakela usesochaza umlando ukuthi ngisho amaNdiya ukufika kwawo la eSouth Africa alandwe India ngoba laba kwaZulu abantu bakwaZulu babengafuni ukusebenza ezimobeni kwase kulandwa amaNdiya ukuthi awazosebenza nezimobeni. Lokho ngayisikubalekela iMandela amnesty yayisithi labo bantu labo ababe nama document badocumentwa labo bantu. Lokhu kukhulunywe ngeviki eliphelile.
I think nje if ngingakhulunya nje ngohulumeni ongekho serious uhulumeni wethu yabo izola deska Home Affairs siye kwile white paper immigration consultation yakhona sacela sathi siyacela ukuphuma kulento ye United Nations yabo ngoba iyona lesi compromise kangaka imithetho ebhedayo nje engasile like nje for example if qhamuka umuntu ngifuna ukunika example yento eshiwo as a fact eyenzakala la ezweni lethu bese niyangitshela ukuthi iyayenza in sense leyo nto umuntu angasuka eEgypt or eBotswana or lamazwe lawa ne death penalty yabo eyisigebengu eqe abalekela uhulumeni wakhe eze la athi ngibalekela ukuthi ezweni lami bafuna ukungifaka kwi death row uyazi ukuthi la eSouth Africa siyaphoqeleka ukuthi simthathe leyo muntu yes masimthatha hayi kusombopha somdedela nje la emphakathini ukuthi aphile ngoba sikwazi phela akasafikile ngecala makushiwo la usefike ngokuthi akufanele abulawe ezweni lakhe njengamanje kuthiwa khona indoda yaseBotswana yenza ubugebengu obunyantisayo la yabo isiyaqeda isentence yayo fanele ngabe ya deport ibuyiselwa khona eBotswana kuthiwa iapply ukuthi ingabuyiselwa ngoba mayifika le izoba kwi death row ngoba khona ubugebengu babusasa serious akufani nala so lana siyaphoqeleka ukusikhiphe izophila la eSouth Africa nathi ngoba thina siyibanana republic leyo efanele wonke umuntu enze umathanda wakhe and nobody cares about our safety and that's the saddest thing about all of this is that we are not safe angase ngisho kangaki we are not safe in this country ngabonile amabhazuka abangena nawo lapha emngceleni namanje asikaze sithole ukuthi lo muntu wayewaletha wayezowenzani sino illegal mining sinama bomb sinama cash in transit sites hayi ngoba bengazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi lawo makhaya bazi kahle hayi mina ngikhathele ukukhuluma guys ngihlezi ngikhuluma sengikhathele nami I wish ama South Africans now angajoyina ngoba ngikhathele
badlala indima
yabo njengamanje silwela izingane lase South Africa ukuthi ithola isikole bakhona ngiyaba appreciate futhi laba abafikile namhlanje benza umsebenzi omuhle oncomekayo so qhubeka silwe ngalamandla asanawo kodwa don't push us too far to a point la sesikhathala khona ngoba uyibona ngathi inkinga iaffect namhlanje kodwa kusasa uzobusa usidinga futhi
Usukuni la namuhla ke kufike ngisho operation Dudu lizobaxhasa ngoba bayabona ukuthi ayadelela lama foreign so ibhlungu kwento yase South Africa ngoba kunomthetho iconstitution yethu athi ngisho kanje umthetho esinawo eSouth Africa usebenza kubantu abangama citizens umthetho esinawo noma isiphi isenzo sobugebengu asenza umuntu wase South Africa kufanele achargwe aboshwe ngoba usuke enza into wrong ubugebengu kodwa uma kuza kubantu bangaphandle ubugebengu bakhona abtreatwa ngokufana ngoba nje ukungena ngokungekho semthethweni kuba ubugebengu kunekhansela leANC angazi noma ikhansela baba nomoyini weANC ofike lapho wathi hayi izingane sezidinga icounseling ngizokucaphunela ivideo yakho uzizwele mina ngazi ukuthi labantu beANC baphila kumuphi umhlaba angazi ngempela angazi asisho thina ingane zabantu ayingafundi kodwa sikushoyo kukodwa abantu abangene ngokusemthethweni eSouth Africa angeke thina base South Africa sibe documented I'm documented mina ngine ID number so lokho kusho ukuthi mina njengomuntu waseSouth Africa ngidocumented why fanele mina ngibe documented bese kuba khona umuntu ongeke azabe documented futhi okwazi ukuthi akangenanga ngokomthetho eSouth Africa kuyaziwa lokho kodwa lo muntu kube nesibindi sokuthi avikelwe ngamaphoyisa aseSouth Africa avikelwe uhulumeni waseSouth Africa kusukuma inhlangano njengo Human Rights Commission eyintweni eziningi ezenzeke eSouth Africa uzwa kusho lutho azisho lutho kumanje abantu bahlaselwe izikhukhula fanele bekunama organization abhiza lekelela abantu kodwa kunama organization abhiza afuna ukuthatha imarch and march ayise court ngoba kufuna kuvikelwe labantu kuneqiniso abangakasitsheli lona labantu ya kukhona kufuneka abasitshele khona yini into abayihlanganisile kahle nalabantu kungani belwa kangaka ukuthi ababe la eSouth Africa uyazi ngokomthetho waseSouth Africa umuntu ongene ngokomthetho la waba la eSouth Africa oyi foreigner unelungelo lokuthola 350 grant mangaba kasebenzi wonke ama benefits futhi lokuthiwa kana uyi refugee US unawo wonke ama benefit njengomuntu waseSouth Africa iyodwa nje into angakwazi ukuyenza ukuvota kuphela ya izwe siphila kulo ngoba sinomthetho ocindezela abantu bala kodwa ukhulula abantu bokufika. Ngizocabuna le video cancel ANC bese siyayivala ivideo.
I'm Dr. Sibongiseni Dlomo, currently the chairperson of the subcommittee of the ANC in the province on education and health.
Dr. Dlomo, obviously tensions have been brewing since the start of the school with foreign national parents as well as South Africans. The ANC on this matter, because it really is untenable.
Yeah. Maybe let me start and really raise that this matter was brought up in the discussion of the ANC PWC on Monday. And therefore the chairperson was mandated therefore to communicate this matter as probably I'm doing it today. The first point is that we would like to request citizens of our country to make schools centers of learning and teaching. Right now we are getting reports that we should assist and support some of these grade 1, grade 2, 9-year-old, 5-year-old, 7-year-olds with counseling. Because some of the issues that they witnessed last week here at school actually was not really something that we really want to expose. A child saying, I don't know whether my mother is going to come and collect me. So we really want to request that if there are issues to be handled, let it be not in the areas where there's learning and teaching to disturb. Because right now, even this hype that is coming in here, it's probably not a right place for this. But number two, this the Department of Education that actually has given us a report by the MEC leading the officials brought this matter to the attention of the PEC of the ANC. That one, the school currently has actually been to its full capacity of 1,548 learners in here. Of those, 968, let me say that again, 968 of the 1,548 are South African citizens. About 12 of them are undocumented, but of course they're in process. I think it's 548 who are foreign nationals learners. But all of them also have produced documentation that is necessary, the abridged birth certificates. So there has been this week another number of 66 that was confirmed by Councillor Lushaba, brought in by the leadership of March on March, 66. 44 of those learners actually have been enrolled in the local schools, including here, because there's been some spaces that were already left in the school. So all learners have been placed in either here or in Clayton and the other schools that I can't remember in Greyville. But if there are any challenges regarding them there to go in those schools to be attended, it's a matter of all learners have already been fully now given space. There's some issues here, but can you transfer my child to this place, to that place, which we really are not thinking is the right thing to do for learners who are within the same vicinity to actually get a place to be actually schooled at. So
Yeah, njengoba echaza lo baba ukuthi izingane ezilapha esikoleni zo-1540, 900 kulezo ngane ezama South African, then 540 ezabantu laba bokufika. Kodwa uthi fanele kwenziwe izikole, the learning center la abantu bahlangana khona kufundwe, hayi lento eyenzekayo. Kodwa khona yodwa ingane ephazamisekile, abazali bami ngaphandle badimanda ukuthi ingane zabo bafuna ziregister futhi kuseduze. Yazi ibhlungu kanjani ukuthi uyeka isikole esila iduze bakuthiwa sinama foreign, kuthiwa uyahamba ungena kule sikole esile kude. Ay mina ngazi, kodwa ke ANC sikule nkinga esikuyo njengenxa yayo iyephethe. Ngiyambona uminister lo ofika manje we-DA, kodwa uminister obephethe we-ANC Dr. Aaron Motsoaleng, ngathi ngikhuluma ngaye kwakhona abathi ngiyamzonda. Ngabuza ukuthi yini ayenza nje eningangikhombisa, ngincoma ama drone. Wathi omunye hayi afika naye ngathi wayanga-implementwanga. Ziningi izinto azithembisile wangazenza, ngifuna nje kubuyela kuzo. Wathi kuzokwakhiwa amaklinika angazi awongakhi. awukaze kwakhiwe yodwa manje washo ngo-2014 no-2016 akaze kwakhiwe yodwa kulawo maklinikhi awashwa yena akaze akhiwe. So angifuni ukungena lapha abantu be-ANC ngathi khona la bahamba khona bofunda amanga ukuze bekwazi ukusiqambela amanga kahle. Angifuni nje ukungena kulezo ndaba mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo.